Have you ever explained something in a new way to help someone understand it better? That means you rephrased it. Let's dive in. Today's word is rephrase. Can you say it with me? Rephrase. Ready to spell it together? It's R-E-P-H-R-A-S-E. That spells rephrase. Rephrase means to say something in a different way. It helps make ideas clearer, easier to understand, or even more polite. Here are some words that mean the same as rephrase. Say them with me. Restate, like saying the same idea with new words. Retell, like explaining what happened in your own way. Paraphrase, like summarizing someone's words in a simpler form. Simplify, like making something easier to understand. Clarify, like making your meaning clear for everyone. Each one shows that rephrasing helps people communicate better. Now let's look at the opposites of rephrase. Repeat, like saying something exactly the same way again. Keep, like not changing your words at all. Change, like saying something completely different instead of the same idea. Confuse, like making your message harder to understand. Ignore, like refusing to explain again when someone doesn't get it. Those can make communication harder instead of clearer. Here's a great example. Sofia rephrased her answer in class so everyone could understand it more clearly. Let's review. Rephrase means to say something in a different way. Synonyms include restate, retell, paraphrase, simplify, clarify. Antonyms include repeat, keep, change, confuse, ignore. Rephrasing helps people understand. You make ideas clearer and easier to follow. Your challenge: rephrase a sentence or story in your own words to make it clearer. Every time you rephrase, you help others learn and show that you understand, too. See you tomorrow for another Word Up with Sophia.